Convergence insufficiency is a really common problem among school-age children and adults. It is a problem that creates a lot of eye strain with reading. What convergence actually is the ability for the two eyes to turn in toward one another when you're reading. So when you're looking at something far away, your eyes are relatively straight, but as things come in closer, the eyes have to begin turning toward one another in order to keep the image single and in order to make it clear. So what happens is when you have an insufficiency in that, the eyes can't either turn in enough or they can't maintain the turning in. And when they can't, when they won't turn in enough, usually the child will complain of double vision. But if you can't maintain it, then the vision will start to slip. And when your eye starts to slip, it will create the images on the page, the words on the page, to appear to be moving. It will cause them to lose their place while they're reading. If they strain through it, they'll complain of headaches. They'll skip lines or maybe reread lines while reading. A lot of these kids can maintain convergence for a short period of time though, and that's why it's so misdiagnosed or underdiagnosed, is because you have to do several tests to uncover this sort of a problem. At Excel Neuro Optometric Clinic, we can treat convergence insufficiency with vision therapy.